Hi there, it's Chris here from selfmadenewbie.com. Welcome to this TubeRaid review. What is TubeRaid? Well, it's going to be suited to those of you out there who are trying to push your business onto YouTube and you want to more effectively or make your ads more effective while spending the least money as possible. So TubeRaid is a method. The method's in the name where really you're raiding the traffic of other more popular videos and getting your video in front, or getting your marketing ad or whatnot in front of that audience and doing that in the most effective way. You're essentially jacking that audience. So say for example, you're running a blog where you're trying to promote your self-help channel or whatnot, and this is going to help you put your ads on the right channels. So before the person goes to watch the intended channel, you're gonna pop up, be talking about the same kind of things that they're looking for, so you're doing it in a hyper-targeted way. And then what that often does is that person will be kind of like, okay, well, who's this? I came to get the answer to this question. I'm gonna watch this video, but your video comes up first and gives them that answer. They will then, in turn, most likely, it makes sense, go and check your channel out, follow you. So TubeRaid is going to help you do that, create effective ads, as well as do it in the most cost-effective way as possible. I'm also going to supplement TubeRaid with some bonuses that I've sourced for you on my own, so you can just get a lot more out of this by going through my particular link in the description, so you can really hit the ground running. So before we get into TubeRaid and checking out all those bonuses, it would really help me out if you dropped a like on this video, hit subscribe, and turn on that bell notification. Now, if you want to jump ahead at any time during this video, check out TubeRaid on your own, check out the bonuses on your own. Simply click the link in the description. That will take you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. You have the legal stuff at the top. You can contact me as well if you have any problems. And the way it works is my bonus page is integrated with the official TubeRaid sales page. So what happens when you click on these green buttons, that locks in all of these bonuses. And so if you do decide to purchase TubeRaid, the bonuses and TubeRaid will be sent to you in this big bundle. Okay, so the first bonus is called YouTube Authority, and this is a massive 32 video training course on just how to build that authority brand on YouTube. This is such a big product. I often give it away if I'm reviewing YouTube related products, because this is just going to give you that, you know, bigger, deeper knowledge about YouTube and how everything works. So, you know, this is going to benefit you not only when you're making your videos, but definitely when you're throwing out your ads as well, building effective videos that keep people watching it for longer and things like that. The next bonus I've gotten for you is called YouTube Mastery. This is going to go more into creating videos that are more effective, what makes an effective video, how you put that together, so you're not just, you know, you don't have these boring videos that you're spending a lot of time on, but you don't even have the fundamentals properly. This is going to help you understand. So if you are making mistakes, this is going to cover really how to do effective videos, so you can be like, ah, okay, I wasn't doing that, I wasn't doing this, I wasn't doing that. So another great training on how to create, you know, good YouTube videos. The next bonus I've gotten for you is a two-part bonus. One hones in more on the SEO aspect, so after you've created the video, maybe using the last two bonuses to help you. This is going to go into how to get your video ranking organically, so your YouTube SEO. So there's a lot to know about your titles, your descriptions, your tags, what to include in your descriptions, the congruency between your primary focus keywords, for example, within the title, within the description, within the tags, as well as you know, related keywords, so how you can organically optimize really well. I threw in a secondary bonus with this one. This is a WordPress plugin called YouTube Leads, and what it does is it just it's essentially a tool that enables you to use your YouTube videos in conjunction or for the purpose of driving leads to your mailing list, which you definitely should have. So a neat little plugin there. You know, you're throwing up this video on YouTube, you want it to generate leads, you want it to generate traffic to your channel, but it's also nice to get leads to your email list as well, because the money's made in the list, and an email list is a way that you can, you know, talk to your audience, communicate with your audience on your terms. Bonus number 4 I've got on for you is going to go again deeper into YouTube And really, the best way I can describe this is really, it's about making that transition into using YouTube as a business. Okay, there's two kinds of channels. There's people who just create a channel and throw out their content, and you know, sometimes they're even successful. And there's people who approach it in a different way, like, okay, this is a business, I want to know the strategies to use in YouTube in order to, you know, promote my business or to drive traffic to other places where, you know, your objective is to have money going in. So this is going to help you make that transition into having, you know, a real YouTube channel that is basically being used as an asset, you know, an asset, a tool, a means to generate income into your business. So this is a new product and really, really useful. The next bonus I've gotten for you is a little bit different, and I threw this in there because this product, Social Traffic Rush, goes into really how to use different social media platforms the way they're supposed to be used. People usually just blast out videos onto each platform and hope they stick. There are nuances and communication styles and language styles on every social media platform. You should be creating micro content from your YouTube content as what you might call your pillar content, and you should be pumping that micro content out onto social media platforms in the right way, so then people are like, okay, this is cool, I want to go check out that YouTube video, watch the full thing, find out what this person is about. So social media, I mean, YouTube is considered social media, I suppose, but I kind of put it off separate a little bit, because people are all over social media like Facebook and Instagram and YouTube, and Pinterest and LinkedIn and things like that. And it's good to use those as platforms for micro content where you can push that traffic over to YouTube, which is where you have your links off to landing pages and things like that. So this is going to help you really take advantage of all those social media platforms, which is where all your audience is going to be. Let's face it, everybody is on Web 2.0 right now. Everyone's sitting on social media. If you want to generate an audience, that's where you're going to get it from. So I thought it was important to include this bonus. So you've got TubeRaid, you know, you can effectively generate traffic through paid means and, you know, hyper targeted paid ads with very little money. And then you have your, you know, now you know how to also generate traffic through the social channels, and also the other bonus, you're going to know how to generate traffic organically using effective SEO strategies. So if that all sounds good to you, it's step one. Click the link in the description. That will take you through to my bonus page. You click on any of these green buttons and then you will lock in your bonuses and be launched off to the TubeRaid sales page. Now the TubeRaid sales page looks like this. I would recommend going through it and reading up all about it, and you know, checking out testimonials. You know, all the questions you have will likely be answered here. I don't want to go through it in this video because we'll be here all day. But what we are going to do is get into a demo from the creators of TubeRaid so you can see inside the platform, see what it's all about. So let's check it out.
In this video, we'll discuss how to drive highly targeted traffic using video placement targeting in Google Ads. As an example, let's promote a health-related product. This is a CPA offer from markethealth.com. I'm going to show you how to promote this anti-aging skincare product using the video placement targeting method. You can find lots of videos listed in YouTube for the niche we selected. We're going to insert our offer in these top-ranked videos. Since the product is related to these niche videos, we'll definitely get a very high CTR and conversion. First of all, let's create a video placement list using TubeRaid software. Go to youtube.com, click on the TubeRaid software button. Click on the search button. Enter the keyword phrase, press the search button. These are top-ranked YouTube videos. There are 198 videos related to the niche we selected. Use this button to collect the video placement list. Copy this list. We need this for the ads campaign. Now we're in the Google Ads dashboard. We do not use keywords or topic options at all. Select the Placements section. Click on the Enter Multiple Placements link given here. Now, we have to paste the placement list we copied from the TubeRaid software. As you can see, a total of 198 video placements are added here. The ad will be displayed to those who watch the selected YouTube videos. As you can see, this is an ad group targeting the video placement list. If you want to target a channel placement list, you can add a new ad group here. This time, instead of the video list, we have to paste a list of channels. Use the TubeRaid software to collect the channel list. Copy this list and paste here. And save the ad group. As you can see, there are two ad groups under a single campaign. One ad targeting a list of videos and another one targeting a list of channels. Watch the statistics and see which ad group performs better, then tweak the ad group settings as necessary. This is the cheapest method available to drive ultra-targeted traffic from YouTube, the world's #1 social video network.
Alright, thanks for sticking around and checking out that demo. I hope you're excited to get your hands on TubeRaid and see exactly what it can do for you. I think it's a very powerful tool that is going to help you save a lot of money. A lot of time people run ads, I feel like they're just sort of firing an arrow off into the distance and hoping it will hit a target. And it's just a waste of time and a waste of money. So, you know, this is going to be really good for you if you are taking that step where you're starting to run ads to your site, to your content, to your product, whatever. So in my bonus page, we have, you know, this section here, and we're just going to take a quick look at the pricing before closing out this video. So the front end is $17 during this launch week, and then that goes to $27, and then you will have an upsell basically on whether you want that web developer license, and if you don't want it, you'll be offered a downsell where you can get the front end without the web developer license for an even lower price. So that depends on whether you want that license or not. One-time offer number one is a viral video monetizer 2.0. This is a separate product. I've done a review on this product as well. If you go into my channel and search viral video monetizer, you can check out what that's all about as well. One-time offer number two, another product you're gonna get with it, AMZ Catalog Creator. And one-time offer number three is another product you can add called ClickBank Affiliate Magic. It's gonna teach you how to make affiliate commissions using ClickBank. It's a cool product. So you can decide which one of these is right for you. I will say that you only need the front end product to get access to the bonuses that we all talked about. Now, I will make one quick mention or warning is that this is a launch week special. So any pricing you get through my link is not only exclusive to my link, but is also dependent on this countdown timer, which you should keep your eye on because when it runs out, you know, all the bonuses and any discount pricing, the pricing will go up, the bonuses will no longer be available. So I do recommend getting in sooner rather than later. It is completely risk-free. There is a full money-back guarantee if it's not what you expected. So I do recommend checking it out. It is a great tool that is going to save you time and money and effort. It's going to put you on the right track to running Facebook ads. So I do recommend getting in early and checking it out risk-free. If you do have any questions whatsoever, drop them in the comments below. Message me on social media, email, whatever you want, because I do reply to absolutely everybody and do my best to help you out with any questions you have. If not, enjoy TubeRaid. Hope you love the bonuses. I think you're getting a great bundle here. And yeah, enjoy it, and I'll see you again on the next video. Take care.